Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another hair tutorial. This is going to be quick, easy, and straight to the point. So let's get straight into this video. So first off, I already have my ponytail done, and if you have not checked out my first video of me installing this hair and getting this nice long high ponytail, make sure you check it out. I'll link it up here. And then we're just going to show you how to turn this long luxurious ponytail into a super cute top knot, honey. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so my ponytail is fully secured, and I am just going to take this hair, and I'm not going to wrap it too tight because I want my bun to be super tall, and I'm just going to begin circling around just like this, and you see the height of that already. So as you circle around, you want to start making this hair a little bit thinner by twisting it, and literally start pulling it around the base of the ponytail. And now you have a huge, a huge top knot. It's pretty stable and it looks so cute. The curls make it look even more natural. This is definitely something that you can achieve with your natural hair, but I really wanted to try this out with the Cambodian curly hair from Longqi Hair because this hair is so cute and it's perfect for us naturals who want to have that nice curly girl look, but you want to take it up a notch. So literally this video is so like straight to the point, but you can just take like little pieces. You don't have to like take pieces out like this, but say if you wanted to add like little curly pieces to hang, you would just twist it until you got it short enough for it to like hang out like that, so it can look like it's your real hair that's kind of like hanging from the bun. But this is definitely a super cute look that you can rock. Make sure that it stands up straight. This is a super cute look that you can rock when you're wearing your ponytail and you want to give them something different, on day 2 of wearing your ponytail. You can give them this nice bun. Another thing you could do is literally just make this bun in half by tucking it down. And I'm gonna get me a bobby pin. Literally, these are 2 quick and easy hairstyles you can do when you have a long ponytail in the top. So I'm just tucking this down and taking this bobby pin and pushing it into the base of my head. And then for extra security, I'm also gonna put a rubber band around it. So I'm literally just taking this and putting a rubber band, boom, 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 around it like this, and that makes it cute, small. I still have these little pieces hanging out, and there you have a more work appropriate business casual bun. So you definitely can make it smaller like this. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing all 3 of these hairstyles throughout the week because it's just super cute and super simple. And this hair, first of all, it is so soft. And I love soft hair. It's easy to detangle. And this is only 2 bundles in my head. This hair is very affordable, so I make sure to link everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out. It is Longqi Hair on AliExpress. And that is pretty much it for this video. Again, if you have not checked out my ponytail video with this hair where I show you how I get my long curly ponytail, make sure you check that out. I'll link it up top. Just hit the little eye in this corner and then you'll see the video there. And that's all for this video. I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipple. Bye guys. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, then what are you doing? Like, come on sis, get it together. Come on bruh. Follow me on Instagram at Reshae and show some love. Oh. Little baby got it. Oh, she live at a party.
film, and my slim. Views been going up. We just got an M. She just bought a beans.